Hey everyone, in this video we'll be showing you how to fix a muted video on TikTok on iPhone. So, let's open up TikTok. Now the reason for this is probably because the music you used in the video is copyrighted and you received a claim. Now this is how to get around it. So tap on upload. Go to the video you were trying to upload. And then go to sounds and just select a random song. Go to volume and slide added sound to 0 as I have done here. And you can adjust the volume to whatever you want for original sound. Now tap on the check mark. Tap on next. And you can post the video once again. And that's it. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please leave us a like. Leave us a comment as well if you have any questions. And subscribe to our channel for more content like this in the future. Bye!